Kenneth,
What?
how are you? What happened? What happened? Show me. Oh, that's yours? Where's your brother? Oh, what's inside? What's in? Oh no! Your paper's inside? That's not good. You're looking at the papers? No! No, no, no. Nathan is sleeping. He's sleeping.
Mama.
How are you? He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Yeah? No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Where's he going? Uh-oh, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Say bye.